Observation. I observe that the lead depends on analog statement, then the random and delay for loop. For the alarm, I observe that the tone generates a frequency from the sine value that we obtain from converting degrees to radians. Simple motor. Observation. The potentiometer depends on the analog statement to control the transistor. Conclusion. LED. I therefore conclude that the LED light fade, calibrate, and is smooth blinking because of the analog statement. Alarm. Conclusion. I conclude that the tune of the tone reacts because of the frequency from the sine value. Motor. I conclude that the motor work depends of the analog statement connected along the potentiometer, and the value returned from the potentiometer depends to the base of the transistor connected to the PWM.